Hello, this is Shelly. It is Monday, April the 14th, 2012, making this video from my backyard. And there is going to be a plane that's going to be flying by shortly. I hope it's going to come into the frame. Might go just a little bit closer. I want to make sure I don't miss it. I got one of these the other night. It's pretty interesting. I'm using my tripod now, so I don't want to miss it coming through. I think I'll go ahead and just zoom out so I don't miss it. It's not much of an opportunity to make sure you don't miss it. There we go. Airplane coming through. I could have been zoomed in a little better and gotten better results, but I was afraid I would miss it if I tried that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in now. I'll leave it at this size for just a minute because I am seeing those spikes of light coming out of it now. Very beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and zoom all the way in now. Well, this is about 75% zoomed in. And I have been seeing this gold color tonight. This is new. I have not seen this gold color before. This one is usually very white with a purple aura around it. Or it turns very pink. So yeah, the gold is new. And this is the star that I call the purple one in the northwestern sky. Let me go ahead and zoom all the way in now. Okay, sorry. Now this is the largest size now. It is moving a little differently tonight too. I had this once last week where it was smaller and faster than normal. If you look through my videos I've been posting, this purple one is normally a lot larger. It just looks a little different tonight. Kind of disappointed that I didn't zoom in a little better on that airplane flyby. There's always tomorrow. Airplanes coming through here every night. I did the first one when it came through. The airplane was just out of my peripheral vision. I didn't know how close it was. And I had it zoomed in a lot better, so it was a lot more detailed. But I was doing handheld, and it was hard to hold the frame. Watching the plane, watching a star, trying to be still. And for some reason, the blue one is just missing tonight. I normally film the purple one and the blue one. It is nowhere in sight. And I see it in the same exact position every night. Just like this purple one is in the same position every night. The blue one is not here tonight. Don't know why. And I'm surprised this is so small. It's usually a lot bigger, but that is completely zoomed in right now. The majority of what I see I cannot get with my camera anyway. They're smaller and faster. And this cheap camera will not pick them up. I can hear another airplane, but I don't think it's going to be coming through. But when the airplanes do come through, a lot of times they will cloak, go invisible. There's a little bit of pink color. It's swirling tonight. Yeah, it's getting larger now. much larger now. And I'm not using the zoom, just changing size. I have not figured out why it seems a little flat on the top. Probably because it's a ship. Of course, that's why. I do believe these are Galactic Federation ships. Permanently stationed in their position. There's so many in the sky right now. I think there's more ships than there are stars, to be honest with you. That's what I see with my eyes, anyway. Where'd you go? I just hold the frame still and let the outcome of the video be up to the Galactics. Okay, you're really out of my frame. I need to move. And now you're getting small. Change size. I'm not wanting to keep this video going for too long. I'm going to be uploading a lot more too. Started filming on March the 23rd. There's a lot of videos I'm going to upload. Oh, sorry. Now that time I barely moved my finger. I do leave it on the tripod and I just touch the top. Try to keep it in the frame. And I think that it helps to have my energy coming through. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out. Time to go in for tonight. At least maybe I'll come out and do another one in a minute. Time for dinner. Thank you for being here, Galactics. Much love to you.